students, welcome to the online coaching. Dear students, today we are going to start exercise 5.2. आप बेसिक सीखिए डियर स्टूडेंट्स. डिजिट तो एग्जाम में कोई भी आएगा, आपको मेन थिंग है फॉर्मूला और कंसेप्ट. देखिए यहाँ पे ए डी एन और ए एन, टेक्स्ट बुक ए एन लिखती है और मैंने आपको पढ़ाया है टी एन. इट इज़ द टर्म. ठीक है, टेक्स्ट बुक ए एन लिखती है, आपको ये दिमाग में रखना है. ए एन इक्वल्स टू टी एन. ओके, ए इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, डी इज द डिफरेंस, एन इज द nth नंबर एंड ए एन मीन्स इतना नंबर जो है एथ टर्म का हमें टोटल फाइंड करना होगा. मीन्स nth टर्म हमें फाइंड करना होगा, नॉट टोटल, सॉरी. अभी आप यहाँ पे देखिए डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको एक फॉर्मूला पढ़ाया हुआ है टी एन इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी. यहाँ पे 7, 3, 8 each and everything is given. They wants to find a n means they wants to find t n. Okay, a is given, that is 7, plus n is given, that is 8. 8 minus 1 into difference, that is 3. So n value now I should substitute, that is 8. So 7 plus 7 into 3, T8 equals to 7 plus 21. So 8th term, that is 28. So here answer is 28. So this is the pattern. I have took 3 different sums of different pattern. Dear students, in second question they have given us a, d is not given, n is given, 10th term, and what is the value of the 10th term, that is also given, that is 0 value. Okay, now please pay attention dear students, the same formula I will use. I am not changing the formula, I am not changing the concept also, same thing. T n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now please here a is minus 18 plus which term, 10th term, minus 1, d हमें फाइंड करना है और 10th टर्म का टोटल क्या है, 0. व्हाट विच इज द 10th टर्म, T10. T10 का आंसर है 0 और आप लिख सकते हो A10. ओके, minus 18 plus 9 into D. Negative 18 come this side, becomes positive 9 into D. 9 will be in the division. Here it is 2. Clear? Okay, moving forward, सेम फॉर्मूला डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेकिन आपको दिमाग में बैठना चाहिए कि मैं कौन सी वैल्यू कहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूँ. ओके, दैट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. हियर a is given, d is given, which term it is, that not given. Okay, formula same, tn or an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Total is given, that is 3.6. a minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into d, 2.5. Negative term come this side, becomes positive. 3.6 plus 18.9 equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. 9 and this is 6, so that is 15, so 5 carry 1. Okay, 8 plus 3, that is 11, and 1 carry was there and one more, so it is 2 to 5 equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये 2.5 डिवीजन में आ जाएंगे, सो 22.5 divided by 2.5 equals to n minus 1. Dear students, you are knowing if I wants to remove the point, then I will divide with the 10, and here also I will divide with the 10. So answer will be 2 to 5 divide with 25, 10 10 deducted, n minus 1, answer is 9. 9 equals to n minus 1, the negative n comes this side. So 9 plus 1 equals to n, 10 equals to n. Dear students, the last answer, here the answer is 10. Clear? I hope you are able to understand. This was the first Roman. 3 different pattern I have taught. First one I have taught to find out n is given, and that nth term, which is the nth term, that we have find out. Second, we have find out d. In the third one, we have find out the n. Okay, now moving towards the second Roman. Second Roman is choose the correct option. Okay, I have already written the question, that might not be visible to you. I am reading that question. 30th term, 38th term of AP is given. 38th term of arithmetic progression 10 7 4. देखिए यहाँ पे आपको 3 टर्म्स दिए गए हैं. The first term you are knowing, that is A. Write down A equals to 10. Now the difference of these two term, difference of these two, 7 minus 10, 10 minus 7 गलती से मत कर देना, that is 7 minus 10 minus 3. Which term, which number term you have to find? 30. N equals to 30. Simple. Substitute the value Tn. I am repeating again. I am habituated to write Tn. You can write An. Okay. A plus n minus 1 into d. So T30 equals to A 10 plus n, that is 30, minus 1 into d, that is minus 3. So T30 equals to 10 plus 29 into minus 3. Dear students, 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 2s are 6 and 2 carry, so that is negative 87. Repeating again, that is 27, so 7 here, 2 was the carry, 3 2s are 6 and 2 was carry, so I have added, it is minus 87. Dear student, answer is minus 77. I hope it is clear in your mind. So this was the second Roman first question that I did. Second Roman first question. Now moving ahead, dear students, moving towards the third Roman. third Roman in that first question, that is 2, then a box means missing, and this is 26. Dear students, this is AP, arithmetic progression. In that second term is missing. Which term is missing? Second term. Now this is A and this is T3. T3 है ये जो था वो T2 है, and this is T1. T1 is also we are writing as A. Okay. अभी हम आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे? तो हम लिखेंगे T3. T3 equals to what? T3 equals to A plus 2D. What is the formula? T3 equals to A plus 2D. T3 is 26, dear students. A is 2 plus 2D. This positive 2 comes this side, becomes negative. So 24 equals to 2D. 2 will be in the division. 24 by 2 equals to 12 equals to D. So dear students, D is 12. Now T2 का formula क्या था? T2 equals to A plus D. What was the formula for T2, dear students? A plus D. So T2 equals to A, that is 2, plus D, that is 12. So answer is 14. So this missing one is clear. Answer is 14. I hope you are able to understand this concept. This formula I have used when A was given. A was given. Now I am taking such kind of question in that A is not given. First term is not given. See here. Second question I am doing. A is missing 13 and 3. See the situation. A is not there, second term, third term is not there, fourth term. आप इन दोनों का माइनस करके डिफरेंस भी नहीं निकाल सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप. So better use your brain. This is T2 and T2 is A plus D. Yes or no? So 13 equals to A plus D, equation number 1. यहाँ पे फोर्थ टर्म है. T4 equals to A plus 3D. So 3 equals to A plus 3D, equation number 2. Dear students, you can have a subtraction of equation 1 and equation 2. So subtract equation 1 and equation 2. 13 में से 3 जाएगा, A plus D minus A minus 3D. Dear students, negative A and positive A deducted. Here is the answer 10 plus D minus 3D. Answer is minus 2D. This 2 will be in the division. Answer is minus 5. So D का आंसर क्या आ गया बच्चों? -5. -5 is the answer of D. मैंने just common difference जो है वही find किया है. D equals to -5. Okay. Now please pay attention. 13 A, that is D equals to -5. This -5 comes this side, becomes positive. So 18 equals to A. So फर्स्ट टर्म आपको पता चल गया. फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है हमारा? 18 है. यहाँ पे आ जाइए आप. 3 इक्वल्स टू, ओके, यहाँ पे आने की अभी कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज ए तो हमें ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है. हमें डायरेक्ट ही करना पड़ेगा थर्ड टर्म फाइंड. ठीक है. T3 इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? A प्लस 2D. T3 equals to 18 plus 2 into minus 5. T3 equals to 18 into 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10. So T3 equals to 8. So second one was 8. I hope, dear students, you are able to understand this concept. 5.2 I have solved first, second and third. Missing sums means which way I have not solved on the board, you have to solve in the homework. Thanks for watching this video, dear students. Thank you so much.